Hey guys, it's Uber here, and I know I haven't posted in a while, but today I am unboxing something cool. This is cool to me at least. Something that I've been waiting on for a while. I ordered it basically like after Thanksgiving, and I just got it now. It's December 14th. So without further ado, we're going to unbox this. I'm so excited. This has been something I've always wanted as a kid. Well, I've wanted a version of it basically. Like ever since I've watched the show that this thing is on, and I'll just tell you guys, it's Victorious and iCarly and Sam and Cat. It's like all those shows. And so basically I've been watching those basically since I was a kid, and a lot of people my age have. So we're opening this up, and here we have this. It is a PearPhone case. So basically I have been wanting like a PearPhone, like I've always wanted a PearPhone as a kid, right? So I ordered a case for both of my phones, for my iPhone 6 and for my XR. And first we will go over the ones for my XR. They come in this nice little cloth material. Oh my gosh. This is what it looks like. That looks so cool. It's like this. I got the tough case for my iPhone XR because I wanted like more protective one. That actually, like, look at that PearPhone. It has all the little like FCC stuff up there. It's just white and black on the front. It's like a two-part case basically. And then here is the one for my 6. Look at that. It's like I got the same color. I really like the blue one. This is what it looks like. So we're going to put it on. So I have my 6 with me right now. So put it on, see how it fits. Okay, snap, snap. Okay, here it is. I have a PearPhone now, you guys. This is what it looks like on the bottom. The front, it's just like a white, and it matches with it. But yeah, that's really all. Here's the one for the XR. Once I use my XR again, I'll put it on there, but this is the one I have for the 6, and yeah, that's pretty much all. Happy holidays, you guys. I'll probably have some Christmas videos to post, but until then, see you later.